Welcome back. So far we have completed questions from 2019 till 2023 and today I will start from 2024. Which of the following is not a steroid hormone? So these are all three are steroid hormone. This is the only one which is not steroid. So this is from the NCERT textbook. Steroid hormone exclusively are cortisol, testosterone, estradiol and progesterone. Next question. Statement 1 says the presence or absence of hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity. This is true. The hymen is torn during the first coitus only. This is false. Because there are other reasons for tearing up hymen, therefore torn hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity. So in this case, 1 is true, 2 is false. This is option 3 is the answer. Next one, AR question. FSH acts upon ovarian follicles in female. Follicle stimulating hormone, yes, this is correct. And Leydig cells in male. Leydig is wrong. Leydig is stimulated by LH. FSH acts on Sertoli cells. So this statement is wrong. Now the moment you have A false, so you don't even have to read the reason, directly mark option 4. Because you can see A is true here, A is true here, A is true here. So this is the only option with A is false. Regarding the hormone LH and FSH and their role in male and female, by heart this table. This will really help you. FSH in females helps in follicular growth. LH helps in ovulation, release of the secondary oocyte from Graafian follicle. See, the difference between spermatogenesis and oogenesis is the order in which the hormones act. In males, LH acts first. It will act on Leydig cell. Leydig cell will produce testosterone. This testosterone will help in spermatogenesis. The FSH hormone will be effective later once the spermatids are ready. Now these spermatids, which are non-motile, will be transformed into motile sperms by the process of spermiogenesis. And in this process, FSH plays an important role. It stimulates Sertoli cells. In case of females, first hormone to act on will be follicle stimulating hormone. This will stimulate the growth of ovarian follicles, which in turn will produce estrogens. And later, once they reach Graafian follicle stage, then LH will act and cause ovulation, that is release of secondary oocyte from Graafian follicle. So I hope this table will help you to clearly remember the hormones and their role, the functions.